local fire department purchasing the latest and greatest piece of equipment. It will help treat patients who suffer from a heart attack.
Paramedics with the Upper Yoder Township Fire Department tell us they've already been able to save a few lives with the machine. But as Maria Miller found out today, it's the story behind it that makes it even more special. Maria?
Sam Zamias was a well-known real estate agent in Johnstown. He passed away a few months ago after suffering a heart attack. His family says they were so grateful for the help he received from paramedics that they wanted to give back. It was Sunday, September 8th. The Zamias family had just finished dinner when Sam came down with what he thought was a stomach ache.
I gave him a Pepto-Bismol, and he came back to the room and collapsed in a chair.
It turned out he was suffering a heart attack.
We arrived. CPR had been in progress. We continued with that throughout transport to Conemaugh.
They did everything they could do. They were phenomenal. If it was God's will, he would have lived from what they did. I was blown away. And they're volunteers, I found out. They're volunteers, and they were there the whole time.
So thankful for that help. Instead of flowers at Zamias' funeral, his wife asked that all donations be sent to the department, enabling them to purchase a new piece of equipment that will help better detect heart attacks in the field.
We were in the phases of attaining the funds to make this upgrade, but with the gracious donations of the Zamias family, we put those donations toward this.
On Thursday, the department honored Zamias by placing a plaque on the machine in his honor.
Even though he didn't live, I'm still so thankful that they tried.
I think your husband would be happy to know what you...
Oh my gosh, you know what he would probably do? He'd probably take courses to become a volunteer. He really would. He'd be buying them an ambulance.
Zamias says she hopes she never has to call again for help. It says if she does, she's glad to have such experienced and caring paramedics at the ready. And tonight she urges everyone to donate to their local departments. Reporting live, Maria Miller, 6 News.